What's the matter, Ida? All that sit and take it out of you?
There's still one to hatch.
Cut it out. Yeah, just leave it. You'll never get it to go in the water. Come, teach the other ones to swim properly.
You go and teach the others to swim properly. I've been sitting for so long. A little more days won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. All right, kids. Let's go to the lake. Last